Here the question is that I, J, K are unit vectors along the positive direction of coordinate axis. Then show that the 4 points 4i plus 5j plus k minus j minus k, 3i plus 9j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k are coplanar. So we need to show that these 4 points are coplanar. So to show that coplanar, so box of AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. So then we can say that these 4 points are coplanar. So let O be the origin. Here O be the origin. So from O, this is O, this is A, B, C and D. So these 4 points are there. So OA, OB, OC, OD. OA, OB, OC, OD. So the given points are 4i, 5j plus k, that is OA. OB is minus j minus k. OC 3i plus 9j plus 4k. OD minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k. So we need to find out AB, AC, AD. Okay, so AB, AC, AD. So to find the AB, so we have to subtract. To find the AB, so the resulting vector is, this is O, this is A and this is B. Okay, so OA, AB, OB. So basically, as per the vector formula, OA plus AB, which is equal to OB, this is resulting vector. So we need to find AB. So AB is equal to OA. We'll send that side. OB minus OA. So like that, we will do it. Okay. So AB, OB minus OA, OB is there, OA is there. So by subtracting these two, we will get AB is minus 4i minus 6j minus 2k. Like that, we find the AC. AC we got it minus I. Okay, AC is minus I plus 4j plus 3k and OD minus OA. So by subtracting these two, we got it minus 8i minus j plus 3k. So we need to find box ABC. So box ABC, AB, AC and AD. So box ABC means modulus. So modulus of AB, AC and AD. So AB we have the coefficients of the unit vectors I, J, K. So minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 2 and AC is minus 1, 4, 3, minus 1, 4, 3. Then AD is minus 8, minus 1, 3. So by finding the modulus of this, so we got it 12 plus 3, 15, 15 4s are 60, minus 60. Here 1 plus 32. 33 2s are minus 66, minus 66 plus 60 is minus 126 plus 126, we got it 0. So therefore we can say that these 4 points, what are the 4 points? A, B, C and D points are coplanar. So the question is, if A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors, then test for the collinearity of the following points whose position vectors are given by A minus 2B plus 3C, 2A plus 3B minus 4C, minus 7B plus 10C is given. So we need to check collinearity. So if two vectors are collinear, so we can express, for example, AB and CD are collinear. AB and CD are collinear. So one of the expression, So AB we can express as some constant into CD. So if you write like that, then we can say that AB and CD are collinear. So AB, CD are collinear points. Now here given ABC are non-coplanar vectors and whose position vectors is given. So position vectors is nothing but let O be the origin, O be the origin, then this is A and this is B and this is C given points. So OA A minus 2B plus 3C, then OB is 2A plus 3B minus 4C, and OC is minus 7B plus 10C. Okay, so OA, OB, OC. So these are called position vectors. Now we need to find, for example, this is a line. Okay, so A, B, C. For example, A, B, C. So AB we can express as lambda into BC, or AC we should express into lambda into AB, or something. So some scalar, here lambda is scalar. So if we express like that, then we can say that A, B, C points are collinear. So now we need to find AB by using the position vectors. AB already we discussed, OB minus OA. So OB is given 2A plus 3B minus 4C minus of OA, A minus 2B plus 3C. So 2A plus 3B minus 4C minus A plus 2B minus 3C. So while subtracting this, 2A minus A is A. Now 3B plus this is 5B minus 7C. This is AB. Now we find the BC. So BC means OC minus OB. OC is given minus 7B plus 10C, minus of OB is 2A plus 3B minus 4C. So minus 7B plus 10C minus 2A minus 3B plus 4C. Now simplify this. So A is not there, minus 2A as it is, minus 2A. Here 7B plus 3B. So minus 10B, and 10 minus 10 plus 14. So 14C. So which one we can take as a common? So minus 2 take as a common here. So minus 2, when you take minus 2 as a common, A plus 5B plus 7C. So is there any relation? Sorry, here this is minus and this is minus, you get. Why? Because we are taken minus as a common. So minus 7. Is there any relation for AB and BC? So A plus 5B minus 7C, A plus 5B minus 7C. So this we can express as minus 2 into AB. Okay. So here minus 2 is a constant, some lambda. So therefore BC we can express as minus 2 times of AB. So the line is like this. This is B and this is A and this is C. Okay. So BA or AB. So if you take BA, so you will get this one is positive. So BC, which is equal to lambda into AB. So therefore A, B, C are collinear. So if any expression like vectors AB, BC or AC, if we express in the form of like this, so then we can say that the 3 points are collinear. If triangle OAB E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of OA, such that OF is equal to 2 times of FA. If the C is the point of intersection of OE and BF, then find the ratio of OC is to CE, BC is to CF. So let us draw the diagram for this. Two parts. So first of all, I am drawing the triangle OAB. So OAB is a triangle and E is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint, so it's divided into the same ratio. So OE. So first let us find the OE. What is OE? So let us take OA is A and OB is B. So by the parallelogram property of vector, so parallelogram, if we take parallelogram, so this is a midpoint E, so A, B, C, D. So AC is equal to AB plus AD. This we know that AB plus AD, that is equal to AC. So here E is a midpoint. So then AC we can written as 2 times of AE. Okay. So 2 times of AE, which is equal to AB plus AD. Right. So AE is equal to 1 by 2 times of AB plus AD. So the same formula we should apply here. So OE is a midpoint like this. Okay. So OE we can written as, directly 1 by 2 times of OA plus OB, right? So 1 by 2 times of OA is A and OB is B. So this is first one. Right. So now next what is given? F is a midpoint of OA. So let us take here F. F is a midpoint of OA such that OF is equal to 2 times of so it's not a midpoint actually. So F is a point on OE, it's divide the ratio FA 2 times, so OF is 1 time. So OF is equal to 2 times of FA. So F is a point on OA actually. It's not a midpoint. F is a point. If you take midpoint, it's divided into the exactly 1:1 ratio. But here 2:1 ratio, it's dividing. So then OF. So we need to find OF. So OF is equal to 2 times of OA. So 2 times of OA plus 1 time of 0. So that is OF like. So 2 plus 1. So 2 by 3. So OA is A. This is OF. So let us take equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now up to here over, if C is the point of intersection of OE and BF. So let us join BF. And this is a C. C is the point of intersection of BF and OE. So let us take C is a point which divides into ratio 1:λ. So C is a point. C divides OE in the ratio. Let us take in the ratio 1:λ. So that means OC is to CE. So which is equal to 1:λ. So OC is equal to lambda into OE. Section formula lambda into OE. 1 into OE. This is 1. So previously what we are taken, so this is 2 into OA and 1 into 0. Same here, 2 into lambda into OC and 1 into OE. So 1 into OE plus lambda into 0. So divided by 1 plus lambda. So that is equal to, so what will get OE? So what is OE here? OE is 1 by 2 times of, so 1 by 2 times of, that means A plus B, so divided by 2 times of lambda plus 1 or 1 plus lambda. So this will become 0. So that is equal to, okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1 into A plus 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1 into B. So this is OC. So this is equation 3. Now C divides BF in the ratio mu is to 1. Let us take mu is to 1. So this is this is mu and this is 1. So when it is section formula, by using section formula, this is A and this is B, then let us take C is divides into mu is to 1. So O is the point, this is O, okay. So if you take like this, OC is equal to, so what you will get? Mu into OB plus 1 into OA, so divided by mu plus 1. So the same formula we should apply here, mu into OF, so OC is equal to mu into OF plus 1 into OB, divided by mu plus 1. So now this is according to this OF is equal to 2 by 3 times of A. So here we should write 2 by 3 times of mu A, okay, by divided by mu plus 1 plus 1 times of OB is B. So B divided by mu plus 1. This is equation 4. So by the 3 and 4 both we have OC and here also OC. So 3 is equal to 4. Equation 3 is equal to 4. So you should equate the both and from this compare the coefficients of A and B. So when you compare the coefficients of A and B, here A is there, here A is there. So you will get so 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1, so which is equal to, so 2 mu A divided by 3 times of mu plus 1, and so compare the B coefficient, so 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1, so 1 by mu plus 1. So if you observe this, 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1, 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1. So both should be the same. So we can equate these two. Okay. So 2 times of mu A. So here A will not get here because we are comparing the coefficients only. So 2 times of mu divided by 3 times of mu plus 1, which is equal to 1 by mu plus 1. So both sides mu plus 1 will be cancelled. So mu is equal to, what you will get? 3 by 2. So mu is equal to 3 by 2. So now we find the lambda, then substitute here. So 1 by, like this we can take. Okay. So 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1 is equal to 1 by mu is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1. So when you do the cross multiplication, what you will get? Okay, so 1 by 2 times of lambda plus 1, which is equal to 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So that is equal to 2 by 5. And doing the cross multiplication, so you will get to 4 times of lambda plus 1, which is equal to 5. Okay, so then 4 lambda plus 4, so 4 will goes to there, you will get what will get, lambda plus 1 is equal to, so 4 lambda plus 4 which is equal to 5, and then doing the cross multiplication, when send it that side, you will get 4 lambda is equal to 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, so then so 4 lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to 1 by 4. So what is asking, OC is to CE, OC is to CE, so that is equal to 1 is to lambda, so 1 is to lambda is 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 is to 1. And second one is asking BC is to CF, so that is equal to BC mu is to 1, so mu is 3 by 2 is to 1, so that is equal to 3 is to 2. So OC is to CE is 4 is to 1 and BC is to CF is 3 is to 2. This is your answer.